Hello everyone, you are all welcome back to our channel. You are welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. Guys, in this channel we bring out amazing video, wonderful video, interesting videos. Please do subscribe so that you can see more videos in this channel. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to watch this video. Please do comment down below according to the video. As you do so, God bless you. So guys, I leave you. Please watch this video till the ending and see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Thank you all.
Yes, about obazee city Niger boss. Today, now my two Edo brothers matter we want discuss. In case of my friends that are outside the states, outside Edo states, you will feel not really too flow with it. You know, I love my state. I love my people. I want peace in my state. I want my people to be united. So let's do this. I do one video yesterday about Destiny Ibagwa and of course popular Eruwaila. Many people call me to commend me. Some call to say, how about this matter don't settle now? You want to revive the matter, be the matter where they don't settle. It's okay, no wala. So people say, cost me. How about you say you are disappointed in Eruwaila? Even yesterday night, somebody said Eruwaila is very angry. Say me put a picture for internet. The Destiny still call me. Destiny was also very angry. If I don't like the way I put on a picture for internet, man, no verse. Like just for me, way of me drawing you guys' attention to what I want to say. But man, no verse. But the truth, now I want to tell you today. Yesterday, I ended the broadcast with a question that Destiny Ibagwa should send me what he has to confirm, say, Eruwaila was the first to tell Eddie Murphy about him, maybe when he get that naked issue. Destiny called me yesterday and he played one audio. He not send me any audio, not send me any video, which normally I don't listen to it and I hear what I want to hear. Then another of my strong fan can't send me video of Eddie Murphy when Eddie Murphy talks something about Eruwaila. Now I have videos from Eddie Murphy's wife, Eddie Murphy, and I have another one. The first video is Eddie Murphy reporting Destiny to Eruwaila. The other video that if a friend sent to me, maybe that on a Destiny supporter, that on a video of Eddie Murphy saying Eruwaila paid him 150 to beat or to rubbish or to expose Destiny Ibagwa. So now I want you people to listen. When I heard the patient to today na public holiday for Nigeria, so we don't get where they go. It did very long, but you know I will try may not pass, make this video not pass 20 minutes. Maybe I'll try listening to the two materials that I have. Then I will not tell now my final position. And after today, I doubt if I'll still put mouth for this matter. Because it don't matter when they give me views. It don't give me anything. But it don't matter how much I wait or I wait in the law. One thing when I hate for my life, I don't like friends plotting how to bring down friends. Especially when that friend not do you anything. If person fair do you, snap person fair do you, you want fight back, is a different case. Even as you are fighting back, there's sense that they use. There are still areas that you cannot go to. Actually, anything when has to do with person, matrimonial home, person wife, person husband, that area where I don't ever agree make anybody to. Let's listen to the first audio. I will play second audio, then I will now play Destiny's own.
Yes. And I check on just
know. Mama, I know. Mama, you know. Hello. Mother. I know. Because when we're now, we make our way out, we go back. Imao the video soon that way. Once you start here now, Imagwano, Bob Line, money you care, you want to start here now. So, my Yawa, they want to tell you, I know. And it goes, but where your mama wanted to wait. Where you have it, she next time here, or care on the best stuff. Yes. The whole lot. Yes. No, your time. Yes. I get a continue not open your work was zero Latin. Yes. Or said that you modica, you was stage. Yes. Who modica. Yes. They not tell to me, Papa. I know. I know. But my name says, yes. I know. You want love you, Papa. I know. Mama, I know. When you now with traditional marriage, we have to celebrate. Mama, we're not saying a female. I'm a mother has wisdom. And even no, I know. Where is too much. It is, Mama. If you were like your grandfather, you know what? Not totally a matter for me. I know. I get more time of a man. The corrected billionaire. A good one of our lily and Kia, Ukwa, in pitching a bossa, pitching the body, pitching the bossa, or finishing bossa. I am the one from there with the other for I know. I'm quite guessing. Destiny was the one that bring everything to my husband. My husband to say to you, right with you. Also, well, kind of block you, man. Also, when I've been at the when he have one back again, you are. Also, when I go to bed, once I will not block you in Facebook. The problem can be wrong, sir. My God. Can be wrong. Well, the fitness, the Japan, me must stop, or Japanese, me must stop. When that's not that in the time we were back there. We're married, we're not married, we're not sure. We're not the pay out work in the hotel. You got a hotel, we're traditional marriage. Yeah, but married in Nigeria. Oh, where in Nigeria? But what take on my town, what I told not the Facebook way, I present us, you will forgive you. When I want to tell him, I presenter, yeah, I was went bottom. That was I pray for him. Don't leave secondary, I leave it around. But if not, wrong people and you will press up. I will press up your job. I'm telling you, I had to actually go to Facebook. Now, totally, if you now want, Mama, today is first. Yes. This man, we know it well up. That it just tell you well up. Also, Mama, what's it? Mama, I'm talking like this to me so much. Yeah, finishing now. I'm why I said to one. Yeah, finish one. Yeah, finish one. So young, my colleague got balance right. He told me, if you're not young. He told my husband everything. He told my husband everything. That's why I forced again and I have no money left. But why are you like my life? Mama. Because for our PNA, come on, don't tell Mama. Try to get it out to school. They are one young Mama. Mama, that's it. Mama, you know, like this. I go. We are going social media. One Mama, we pray the word of God to you well away. You might want to get to the Quran. Mama, I know. I'm a bomb and making Mama. I feel I don't wear I took Coconero. Then a guy any year. Please share this video. I want Destiny to come here. I also want Papa Waila to come here. While inviting Ivari. Papa Waila is like an elder brother to me, so I will give him that respect. Even when I know, they say the verse, say I post a picture. If I love verse, Destiny is also a very good friend to me. Destiny, if I post a picture yesterday, no verse. But I want to share this video so that these two guys will come. I want to talk to them and I want to advise them. Make I play the other video, the other audio. Now, fans, my audio for my phone. Fans, now get time. I don't know if they watch all these people. May I play another one? This is Eddie Murphy. Okay, let me play the last one before I play the one Destiny's own. say. And the only body who want happy birthday. Maybe represent you by okay. Erihi akpe ni say imani ikpe ya. And the middle ya ne invite but now time we no okay. Make we talk am as it's supposed to be. Make I play the one when somebody sent to me about destiny. Okay. This one are the one when they say when Eddie Murphy. Every two fella listen to us now, Eddie Murphy and the wife talking to Eru Weiler about destiny. Our destiny don't take bring different people matter to them. Our destiny don't take talk different thing. And I beg if you hear una name, na Eru Weiler matter. I beg if you hear una name, I don't go to drag this matter again. Say I hear my name. They say that no need for that. The more you drag, the more you rubbish yourself. Because Edo media space different from other people's space. Our own is dominated by illiterate. So they overdo things. Illiterate. Now that they tell people say our educated brothers and sisters should start doing this in social media. Let's remove the quacks. Now why no matter how they insult me, not they come for the social media for them. Me, I'm different from them. Thank God for people like Bush Lion. Thank God for some other people who I know say man, they try. So somebody say this one where Eddie Murphy for talking at Eru Weiler now give her money to to the rubbish Eddie Murphy. Una listen.
Destiny, Temeta. It will have Vemboyo, when you wear a willow wow. When Madi go men me act with destiny. I win a little to one. I win a little to one. When Madi go men, you pay me €150. The 150,000 when you be destiny. That's a destiny or a problem you wear. Magona. My way. Even okay now. Before me go with record in the when you make destiny. Destiny without me, I bring up away. Destiny without me, I bring up away. Because we all have no way. Every time, beg. Well, when I get one on watch about while you wear, walking at Tigwene, every time I went at her. Because I ain't nonsense in water, no one out grandga, me malake. In me 1 minute, I just wear up my yahin. Why after Aku? No. That's where no man up Mama, but where you go in a minute. You may deal with Abi, it's all here. Look what I told you. The temple your name, boy. I will have nonsense, nonsense. I don't know where no get out, take a blessing. The blessing I don't, we married to when you bet, but when you know, so when they know. Biata ena was a destiny. Or to boy different fee. Or to boy different fee. Or when you been or get to boy different fee. Or a different fee, he can marry with destiny. The Luce. Well, I'm away with the was while I did destiny. I know, girl, when I see again. And I tell you, Nana, I don't know we can no wrong.
Okay, yes, this is my final position on this matter. First, let me start with Eddie Murphy's wife. Mama, I talk by I greet you. With my party, my person. I respect you a lot. And anytime people they insult you, and they always they happy. Because I only like when the people they come and they insult another person's wife. That's why I don't encourage anybody to also insult person's wife. While I read my way, it was like a goose, Matthew Bonnet when you friend one day. I never tried it. You like it? Madam, it's okay. Please, going forward, a video, audio, a car play, unless you come out say, not be you, talk for this audio when I get. But the voice when I hear na your voice. Your husband never come and say, not be you. Or maybe you come and say, where or where doctor, But do what get time, Madam Umata, I say, you're very wrong. Anything no matter my way. No one maybe in confidence. But we have a destiny ya cool. Or ya attending my way, or woman, mama, or ya time my way. You were not supposed to tell it to every while. Now the baby to wife have a destiny you are good any and okay, you know what I agree while I what man. It's very, very wrong. Because I don't wear a cool, I can get agree. Tomorrow, all or ever can confide in you, I can come away, look. If you say, I go my agree over your time, mama, knock back. And madam, maybe next time as a married woman, anything that has to do with two people like this, I go on your say, I walk back. The video nana, finger while a comment banner, a man where Eddie Murphy and the wife, that be the problem of social media. Eddie Murphy and the wife, that be the problem of these two people. Madam, you're not supposed to tell you while at all. I hear a voice with all this kind of matter next time. You'll be mother of the house. I hear a voice way. Let everybody be accusing Eddie Murphy. Hey, I don't accuse Eddie Murphy, I don't accuse by. Then the other one is also Eddie Murphy. Eddie Murphy said a lot. So then the Murphy though it came away. The one is someone of Eruwala is stronger. Then again the Murphy don't have where Eruwala marry going in the with destiny. Eruwala Gwine. Eddie Murphy are Tony. But this one in my planning was I think anyway New Year Day. So as a my good body, and Eddie Murphy do ya kawe Eddie Wala go near ne yak, but Eddie Murphy don't already they insult Eddie Wala online. So that will be truth, if it not be truth. But the other ones, when I hear where Eddie Murphy they talk said in the Destiny November, they said a lot. Now don't listen. I said that I play all these audios. I said no, not today. I will play and make I get from both sides first. Now, if we are to really resolve this matter, to be very honest with you, Destiny is wrong here. It's clear that Destiny is behind all these issues. Even if I know this is the way that I'm going to say Eruwala confirm and say the truth. No, that's not true. Because from the way Eddie Murphy talk for a year now, it's clear. It was a concluded statement. That so person came to tell us about you, about your wife, about so person, about Monica, about this one. So they're going to wait a bit to y'all know we like on them I don't know that one, but I agree different things that they talk. So Eddie Murphy, I will still advise you. If you know Oma confide in you. Maybe unne Destiny way anyway, and I alutana about Eruwala na ya record there. Or you got a live video. Can you come out to say yes? So if you are the Murphy Tana Mogele tie Eruwala one. That's why Oma Mwemata Gwe Eddie Murphy. I want to talk to you now. You're my friend. You're my friend. A relation. My way kakabo to close. Understand? Or maneko ema okay. Maneko ya me governor any. But the problem you have is you can easily be manipulated. Eddie Murphy can be here today. Maybe I may have switch here, tomorrow will switch. But the Eddie Murphy I know is a very nice person and he has a good heart. Eddie Murphy, my make basic bad never do. My you could be my party could be or ye wedding. My hang out could be. In fact, Eddie Murphy are going on social media. Eddie Murphy is an introvert. Eddie Murphy are going to where Eddie Murphy is a very quiet person. For those that have met Eddie Murphy one-on-one about all. Eddie Murphy day since morning now. Uluban Eddie Murphy are going 6x5. Or while like expect now, maybe we don't call all these commenters now. Commenters now are a problem most of the time. Eddie Murphy will come the Eddie Murphy are baby now. Eddie Murphy is a very quiet person. If I Denko, Denko, a very reserved and quiet person, Honorable Denko. Eddie Murphy quiet is a Denko. Eddie Murphy quiet is a twin brother audio. But Eddie Murphy got a live video is another person. But outside that, Eddie Murphy is a very nice person. And like Eddie Murphy the all these things do have me while now. Yahweh ekoma heme. Ekoma heme ehoma heme ekweria. He was bleeding inside. Oh agbe so that we're making out TV yafo. But don't feel women who are forget again. He was bleeding inside. He was bleeding to say, your turner, your monare, your turner, your blessing, your turner, you know. He was bleeding inside. Maybe next time Eddie Murphy, matter review. Why I time on one way give no now, one time we almost see it. Or even wrote to none of my end now because especially when it involve person wife. Or they make out time the way why are they settle? As amazing and settle. Especially when you and no get the core at that time. On a target down, it is more or enemy, it is you go too far. You go too far. So what I can naked bene to come resolve the matter to our law. Oh, what the bomb you are even where Bula do have not tire with go, if not tag camo can work more. Imagine when they were saying where Walak Maneko, you different things. So I say, Nakam way, all this Walak Vebo, yeah, he Vebo, 1 year money. Do what about your money? Where's the years, Vebo? It's very, very wrong. Why you gotta remove your children from all these things that people are doing? Okay, you wear Vembo. What kind of nonsense is that now? Why do you need to use your why go you wear a Vembo because you want to prove a point? Emono wear beer. Emono how move for 9 months. Who do I hear where do a case of social media ebo? What nonsense is that? Why if you more Vembo? Why it's a ball? Why it's a ball the more? Then they mean or agbog be more. Don't say like I said yesterday. If not do you to ya more eruwala at the time why get na tie bona Eddie Murphy and I sweni if you buy. I don't like it at all. Agbog be more. Why? Obiomo when agbo bia so. Obiomo when agbo bia so. Ede oma yari ne no get etenia. Oh yeah, mo gani Eddie Murphy ya go ya mo video na Eddie Murphy ya message no give up. Do get it down a video ni la onu. Same thing with Eddie Murphy. Over here in Eddie Murphy te. Oh yeah, mo a video ne no ge na a video rubbish Eddie Murphy. Unu e la Eddie Murphy no na de gbe down all those things. That's why I agree. Mind what you say. There is no money here January. Please, if you like what I'm saying, share these videos and give me like. What you love your video now. So they are there in me love like ya bunya okay. A matter now, okay, make sense. Obey very tie a piece rena. But what here great piece of so umana release the fast ladian a clear. So what we please make una one man them in the water. Wala will go. I am begging. Especially like the matter in our hearts. Eddie Murphy said a lot about Eruwala, Eruwala na be tie Eddie Murphy oyoba, Eruwala na be tie ball through a platform Eruwala go na be tie Eddie Murphy. But you always go too far. Oze ya te when ka boss sikowa. But that way ezo are na we wakabo ya take ado ya tie ni mo ado tenije e normal sunu ado ta over time names we media now. All man la the another where more no hami where okalo tore do mabie. O wana ta. Even the man one mo yo. Imagine the okalo to get where about talk this thing. But so I know. So no matter what man go you buy no yari it is very very wrong. You get sent by so Eddie Murphy was getting 2 audio now. Everything they Eddie Murphy table. Okay, Eddie Murphy ta no pata Eddie Murphy over Tairu wala go near the act with destiny. Eddie Murphy over kawe a destiny or thing away him no sunu it matters when you wala man because I respect married women. So everything is centered around Eddie Murphy. And never at Eddie Murphy. Eddie Murphy has made a very positive step in the last 1 week, 2 weeks. Honor Latin, the way, yes, a destiny or more a very wala gain. But now we tell you wala to confide wala way a matter no, but I doubt that. It doubt on him, but that matter no more. But for me, I doubt. As a person, where Eruwala will confirm that to Eddie Murphy. I doubt that one. It's possible to Eddie Murphy here returning to protect his friendship or his relationship with Destiny. Because you cannot tell me now where you do argument to confirm. Somebody has already told you what is going on. So Eddie Murphy has come out. You hear where Eddie Murphy like that when the Destiny no apologize to Eruwala. And that is where I'm going to conclude this matter today. Destiny, you're my very good friend. Do you even turn out with the way about that else or Madonna? But I will not say that way or say working or say my vacuum yet. In all of these things, no sooner. I expected you by this time. What you bebo gigbe? Me gebo, Mary bebo gioma. O ma ready bebo gume. Iya nyaga ma no re bebo rugbe ni agbi yan. Because he get boy, he a bebo gioma. O ma ready me ibe hon no. He get boy, he mwebo gboma. He motie boy, he be tie bonne o gioma ve. But when he get bona, when he go aya we bona, when he go aya bebo giomana, wakabo go him and he we. By this time, everybody is expecting Destiny to go give no yari bebo get the Murphy keke wo hae. The way audio na bena, ye maka mi soke we yoni. Ye mata me the Murphy we yoni. O mama get the yam we ru wala ye the Murphy obo. That is the move that I expected because why guno sabo ebo wakakabo wali bebo gioma. Me feel way by this time a bebo fly never decided the Murphy. Maybe audio the Murphy we no ya confirm where Destiny get a turn in my head boy the Murphy all the wall audio like that to prove his innocence way or get a time my ear. But you are not doing that. You are not going to knock at Eddie Murphy's door to say Eddie Murphy de genia turn in my way or Eddie Murphy de genia tie with my your door. So since my your door it is clear the money work money wisdom money yes go work clear. Okay, at least there's some error on your part. Now, for this whole matter, maybe after this video, you are trying to call it Eruwala. Nigeria. It's high time you put end this fight. Since Destiny Maria Bebo, yeah, Eddie Murphy where Eminiamata, Eddie Murphy ta Eruwala. It is now it is time for me to tell you Destiny what to do. Yeah, I make it not so na moment in a ballon. I heard you are 40 or you are 41. Do you hear me? And I also heard Eruwala is 50, 51 or 52, but I know you're at 50 now. So I'm very sure we Eruwala deal with. We don't read dinner now. To be very honest with you, if you know Eruwala, social media, Eruwala, to hear him. Even though you committed suicide, if you that's small thing. Also, that's how I have a mobile because it's painful. What I but no it's very painful. Or they want kakabo. Unless one never conscious or normal love a family or what I but no it's very painful. What the bot in that in the because anyway walking for there. But it's so where I would be, we man would be. I'm more you wire table, no more table anymore. But God forbid, no way, or my new table and no day. You will never be happy. A boy, more because they are innocent. They don't know. Why laugh in this school now? Mine also know. If you had the Murphy area video, they don't know what's going on. If you had Destiny, the same thing. So a boy and what you name more why you November or because they are innocent, they don't know your man get where. If your children grow, if your children don't grow, they will come and take the phone from you. Daddy, what are you doing? You are embarrassing us. Your name is everywhere. What are you doing? But they are innocent, they don't know. So one love will go everybody in you are. If I accuse you of anything, you are stupid. What do you want? Must you prove? You don't need to prove anything to me by more verbal. More beer where more school, more you don't need all that. You don't. Me accuse me. Am I pure? It don't even verbal to prove my innocence. Am I pure? If I tell you say I not do. If you don't take up, go to hell. God, they watch me. Why you more verbal? Why it's your body more? So Eddie Murphy don't make the bold step. Eddie Murphy has, I believe Eddie Murphy to some extent they regret some things we don't do in the past. But Eddie Murphy has opened that channel for peace to reign. To say, yeah, Destiny one more worry. In Eruwala, let there be peace. And Destiny Yamata, where somewhere. And the Murphys were going a bebo gigbe. But where actually a bebo get Eddie Murphy or which I will not support because they're not better. I will not support people to go through that road. Do where actually Lodo because I will not recommend that road for you because he only know the nila. I am a human. It's very easy. So if you pray one month, he pray. So he knows my heart desire. or when you go through, when you know you happy there. So far, ima gbogo ma me ti gbogo me, ima ri o me go me ti yo go me. Ima mo me munari ya ebe ti mo go me ya, ole su ra, u ga ara internet, u ga ye foundation ri e me go imo so mumuna we ya. So destiny, the ball is in your court because it's high time this matter end or set a lawyer end. Okay, person say destiny at 38. That means me dear destiny now. If I wait 38, no longer 40. That means we are the same age grade. So only age problem, but in my own meta now we Eruwaila or their destiny. And there is this communication already going on between Eddie Murphy and Eruwaila. Eddie Murphy, no matter how anybody push you, Eruwaila gui, Eruwaila kon. Ebe bokpa no hia ti Eruwaila na no ma etine. Error, please. Oda agbori eri ye kagbo. Eruwaila, ebe me anybody can taba kwe o mi we Eddie Murphy lie. Don't go any platform to insult him. Eddie Murphy has already come out to say, "Go, not going." And Destiny has not come out to win. Mohammed Eddie Murphy video or Eddie Murphy do see well, time me wa wo ge no ni view audio no ya go la dia. There will be no need for that. But Destiny, please, I want peace. Say that to go yo. Views go. Why more views me? One of my video new some days ago is over 300,000 views. Me ariye ko yare report me Mr. Update. I know you. How are you? Well done. Good job. Even estate in stay ko ya jog. I'm very popular. In Nigeria, I am very popular. You know, you have a going market door we won't carry. I want my states to work and I want my people to be united. So Destiny, if you like, not take this advice. It will affect you. It will affect your wife's business, your wife's band, Esther. Because you can't be accused like this and Edo people will be showing your wife massive love. We will come out to say no. We can go to that extent. But for us not to go to that extent, because one benefit online. I mean, I'm sure every business not do online. One online business, fashion company, boutique business. Then your wife is a musician. One need social media now. So do where maybe we are going to rubbish the person. Stop. Look where it is time for you to stop. You don't need it. Your wife has grown in her music career. Her world is doing very well. You are doing very well as an adult guy. God will continue to take you higher. Would they not by the way? But try to distance yourself from most of these people in the live video. Yahweh, I don't hear go voice. And what battle? Thomas Olajariza that why te online when I agree. So it is time for you to go for genuine peace. That's why I ain't there while I have go to or me. I make no some more I there baloma. Why webo? Yare bebore. How you don't need to do that. Egwa cannot graze this as social media and wagwina. Or we have I don't see a ball like the okutuku. I don't see a bonnet better bonemo. We don't need all that. Eruwaila, we also advise you to say a destiny got where they genuinely for peace. For peace. And then we have our live video. I tell you, destiny we go na more internet. Look how we go na more internet. But wanted us to do it internet. So that agboya we okay give any matter now say a destiny or yeah. Eruwaila ne igi tao imagi tao epa egui eramokin or terror not joking. It ends there. Then going forward, when we are learning and in a live video, because we are going to Murphy go about our vacuum. Why go we are not my outside there. And if I record it, actually, we are going. They tell Eruwaila ma record the video, record the conversation na. I get Eruwaila na oto kan ga tell you. Eto ma record e oto kan aga ke no kede. So From what I have listened so far, I will give Eruwala 70 and I will give Desnebagwa 30. I will not get it Boizona. Now where do they come and go on? That's why about because that's in your friend. Stop that. I want peace. I hear the brand new Range Rover now. Then Eruwala Rudawe on Winezona. Or now the brand new Range Rover the Destiny Rudawa my Eruwala. Imani suni Emanibu run work below la video na yang mi wo yan len wa yan gbagbe nu wa. This Eddie Murphy you are an entertainer but so you get video where but the part in the video where wa gbe wa ye oro ya wegbe ye mi wegbe wa gbe. I love that part. Wa we na me we comedy kere ma me ya ge o mama say anything you do to make money pay bills on your hustle. I'm a girl you they will make it because the money right. I can do legitimate thing to make money and take care of my family. My man even don't want to go the way when you go away online charity I am go ya kokuwa. Or to maga go mewe about me want the 1 million 500 and 250 ya rubbish one na ya kokuwa. I'm taking care of my family with legitimate money. You go down ya kokemo. Ni go down in ya future. You go down here by me go. You got going in support of Destiny. Yeah, Destiny. You want Destiny? Come on, go. I'm moving about it. You got going in support of Eruwala. Eruwala, I doubt about you. Oh, you move where log of it going. Because illiterate or boost and they comment. I have now some people now watching. So Destiny, I'm telling you today. Imani kabo flog him out and you have a lot to lose. If the people like us take side completely with Eruwala, which we are ready to do, APC Manari, we take side completely with Eruwala. And anything that will benefit you, might criticize it, which I will not want to do. Your wife is talented, Esther. She's doing very well in the industry. Swallow your pride and go and make peace with Eruwala. Because Eruwala bolo. Eruwala kakabo bolo. Me onugba ni yawe Eruwala ka in Nigeria because of this matter. Olugo kakabo the matter now to prove his innocence. So over way okay that is where we are going to take. You cannot come out and tell us where that madness should stop. So Eddie Murphy, please, anything you are doing, that because she's a very good woman to me. Same with Eddie Murphy. After election, when they want to say the Murphy man one day we didn't go or not de bayan. But I letter many days Eddie Murphy. Let her be here. Eddie Murphy is a natural nice person. But sometimes it can easily be swayed. That's where Eddie Murphy also needs to work seriously on himself. Let it end there. Nobody will give you crown where so Eddie Murphy, please, why you kakabon winner? You matter now. You need to call Destiny your friend. I'm sure when Destiny will get in time, what do you now? That means we have an audio recording of Destiny. You have to call Destiny one-on-one. Don't record the while you record the only man come tell anything to say we got say Nigeria because Destiny already UK now. Maybe I will talk. We got say Nigeria or Boru Wala the Holland or Waweru Wala program megbe. Apologize to him and let it be live. Who am I platform Eddie Murphy wa platform me debama even or you go me why you go me you only pay workers me month of 1 million. So they come and dig go they property no any areas 1 million me go pay can ya my own there. And so I be anyway workers me. So I bless me may I increase you and take care to another level and may pray because they are like my children. Anybody that is working under you, all can do treat you well because nobody knows tomorrow. The next Adenuga can come from your office. The next Dangote can come from your office. This person they call me says, man, so if not this matter I want call, I'll open my line for people to call and not talk. Oh, why I'm moving out. Hello? Hello, good morning. Yes. I can hear you. Yemenuta. Agbiravane. Ino, Yede no. Yede, oh, madam, Ino, Mudale, don't mean the destiny, while our destiny, no ye destiny, ya, tell me, while I'm at the Murphy, ya. Destiny should come out and say it. Destiny is always online. We don't use a platform extra attack. But so far, nothing like that. There's nothing like that. Mama, mega are meeting, nana ka settle a destiny kekebe, eru walawe, a palore bo amagba. I listened to the both of them. It's not what I'm coming online to say, we're giving on Aguye. So I was there. Eru wala guye, destiny gui. Imambe kene, a destiny kawe give neru wala we You can't be in now. I can't settle here now. Maybe not the women do you rise up here. It's so when you're larger. I don't know. I don't want to say what I don't know. Where's the madam? Lao. Platform Vienna. Platform Vienna. Make a line. I want to go. Another way I support this. Not why I support this one. Why you kill line? Because if I call it lave platform war. Oh yeah, yeah. So destiny. My final advice to you is go for peace. Forget away, guayone, igio guayone, omede guayone, amiya wafe guayone. It is Eruwaila and destiny that we sit down together and say palaore gui, diteta, imaita, kenimata laore gui. That is all you need for this madness to stop. For this old noise to stop. Eriwa taise. So, while I will one way live video, you people should sit down and say, what can I do to stop talking about people? After election, what I believe when me man tell me politics me have me views there. Or you want like page me. Well, moment one after politics, me na politics na mo yokba, ina iswa o way. Is my page not busy? There is no day I don't get over 1 million people visiting my page. Over 1 million people visit City Nigeria. There is no day or I look with 600, 700,000 people visit my page. But during election, it was 350, 250, 400, 2 something, 1 something. Ask yourself, saga. What can I do? You can do comedy. You can do skits and make good money. All this gossip in saga. Oh yeah, mwegbe ni ria wa se do wa le here. El agboni here. Only agboni ha. Wa vie do wa vie police, you vie police. Saga se we edimo mi go ma like do. Wali buli we saga wa me be una suppose like to dey come Nigeria every 2 months. But would they etin wa gbelele ya wa ya mu eni Maria o wa gi ware. Is that life? So when I what about Destiny naked video? Please, the Destiny may prove where or more video or when you are no but they may prove you should go and make peace because the only one we have now is the one indicting Destiny. Which to me does not make sense. Like many months ago, but I'm not the first to bring it to the internet. Of where it can't down since. It can't down. So retire say, why you Kenny Asuni anyway, Destiny matter, or Walatana, why I'm more please let there be peace. Let the bad Martin stop. You people should be united. Why our business could be? It doesn't even do now with partnership. You know, okay, got bill take could be. What if 500 million, but if 500 million, now bill take 1 billion, you do. Yeah, agree. Because the two of them know what they are stake. But the balance in one here, also another party or say, why we partners, why we business partnership? Why take me business? Eh, ona me lare, ona me ya do, do ya. Why push me? Why push me? And why we competition le buwa? Why you cool? On our first. The first in him. Do my festival spray. When we festival, and me property se do. We ya banana island, we ya dowa. Uwa, udowa America. So why you want those unnecessary competition? If I jealousy do I may want to feel to 200 or I don't know, want to feel 1,000, no affordable, but you don't life not be competition. Hey competition. Me I go ya go ni me fi. Ya fi nekpa. So allow destiny. I want if you still like call me after this video, call me. I will tell you what to do. This matter needs to end. It really needs to end. I'm very sure you are not enjoying it. Nobody's enjoying it, but it needs to end. Go and make peace with Papa Waila. That's here. One make it peace. Want to see the video? And I will lay. Because now I will lay. Wow, we social media. I have a live video. Or 12 audio in here. Or 12 audio. Waka we me cook bene. Even what time I myself when I get ESC, ESC many years ago, would I be me okay ESC be? Come away that means now I swear. Hey no, so go and apologize to him. Thank you very much, everyone. This time I say, the matter I say, what can you? Why say?